It started as a work van, empty, cold, loud, no different from thousands of others. First came insulation. The van needed to hold heat, to block the road noise. A wooden skeleton grew inside the metal shell. Every curve matched, every gap filled. Plywood covered the frame. The rough metal disappeared. A room began to appear. The floor rose. Insulation beneath. Wooden ribs holding everything level. Warm vinyl planks, waterproof, easy to clean. The van no longer felt like a truck. Wires hid inside the walls. Lights on the ceiling. USB ports near the bed. The bed stretched across the back. Storage below. Drawers on slides. Nothing wasted. A tiny kitchen appeared. Sink, faucet, a countertop just big enough for coffee. The bed was made. The lights glowed. Curtains covered the windows. It was no longer a van. Outside, the van looked the same. White, simple, unassuming. But inside, it was home. Coffee in hand, forest outside. No office, no schedule, just the road.